Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Mzansi just made a huge, shocking discovery. So, Tyler went and performed in India, in Mumbai for the first time. But it was not just Tyler going to India and performing for the first time that caught the attention of Mzansi, but the fact that there are actual baddies in India. People kept on referring to the recent videos that are trending on social media platforms of Indian beautiful girls dancing to Tyler's song and also present at Tyler's concert. They're referring them as Indian baddies because they're completely shocked on how they're actually dressed and how they are dancing and how they are moving. But they have never seen this. Most of Mzansi were commenting and stating that they are blaming Easy World because they're used to Indian women wearing isari and covering up their bodies. They have never actually spotted an Indian lady in India during those TV shows wearing revealing clothes. This is indeed a cultural shock to most of Mzansi people. And of course, the fact that these young women, they're enjoying and they're living life like this, they are indeed shocked. But this is because most of people, they believe that India is more of a strict-ish country, I guess, and also they follow religion more. And most women, they like covering up their bodies. So this was indeed a shocking discovery. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.